Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the DJI Mic. It's a wireless microphone system that is ideally made for the DJI Osmo Action 3, an action camera that I picked up about a month ago. And first I bought a used one on Amazon through Amazon Warehouse. Then I found out that there's an issue with a soft focus of the image close up. So if you're vlogging, you have yourself in the frame, your face might look soft while the rest of the background is sharp. I found out this is a problem with the initial units, so I bought a new one. The original one that I bought before was from September of 2022, which was the first batch. This is from November of 2022, and it seems to be much better. It might not be 100%, but I determined that it was fine for my needs. The newest batches are probably just totally fine, but I think it's just fine as it is. This is a microphone system, one of the best that's out there, wireless systems. So I'm going to open it up. This is actually like with the Osmo. This is my second one, and I bought it new. Just like the Osmo, I decided to buy it new. I didn't want to save a few bucks on Amazon Warehouse. The main reason being is that with technology like this, you want to have a warranty. So here, apparently it's a 2-year warranty. It comes with a 1 year, and then if you register it on their site, you get another year. I bought for 35 bucks a warranty for this, which I think extends it for 2 or 3 years. But basically I want to be sure that if I run into any issues, whether it's this focus issue or something else, then I'm able to get it dealt with. And really 20 or 30 bucks saved on through Amazon Warehouse is not worth it when you're still paying over 300 bucks. So this, I don't even remember the price now, but it is around $330. And given the functionality, I think it's well worth it if you do things on YouTube or anything really. It's a microphone system you get 2 receivers so you can do interviews. You get a charging case. This is the charging case. That's another reason I like it. So pop it open, and I'm sure it needs to be charged up. Yeah. I bought it almost a month ago, and I am just opening it now. So it comes with a case. It comes with 2 receivers. You can see exactly what's in the box here. The case, a pouch, several adapters, several cables, windscreens, and I'll show those to you. So this is the pouch, nothing special. Some people complained about it online that it should be something nicer, some kind of travel case or something for the price, but it comes in the case, so this is the travel case. You might, this will just prevent it from getting scratched or maybe dinged up too bad. So a couple of windscreens. These go on to the and they pop right on there, and you see they're nicely like that. You've got a clip here. You have both a traditional clip and then you have a magnet. So this is pretty cool. You can magnetize this to your shirt, for example. If you don't have a collar or you don't want it to be in too obvious of a place. So let's take off the windscreen. And then cables. Let's see. So this is a charging cable, USB-C charging. And then this is I believe, a cable that you can attach to your computer. Yeah, that's what it is. So you can use this microphone system to record yourself or to have a Zoom call or any kind of media call through your computer. Of course, you may need an adapter if it doesn't have a audio input, like MacBooks, for example. But those can be found pretty easily, and there you go for your USB-C. So let's put this back. I'm going to charge this. I'm going to try it out, of course, and then here you just have some instructional stuff. This is just my first impressions. Like I said, I got this before, so this isn't new to me. Again, here you have the battery level of the entire case. This is different than this, which I got with the action kit for the Osmo. So this is a battery case, but it only shows you the battery level, and you're able to charge the batteries plugged in with USB-C as well in the case. But there isn't an additional battery inside of here that charges these up as you're as they're sitting in there. So that's one downside, but at the same time, you see how chunky this thing is. You'd have something twice the size in order to charge those batteries. And I actually found it to be fine because the battery life on the Osmo is very good. So apparently the GoPros have had a problem with battery life not being great. For the Osmo, it is great. Besides that soft focus issue, which really isn't noticeable unless you're really taking a close look, and like I said, it tended to be with earlier batches. If you get one of these and you don't like the focus, return it or contact DJI. But I think all the factors in this camera that make it superior to GoPro. Honestly, I haven't used a GoPro, but from what I've read and what I've seen, the battery life is better. The speed of the menus is better. You have, of course, two screens that are both touch screens, front and back. So here we are seeing the camera. And the main reason that I got this system is to utilize it with the Osmo. And I can show you quickly how this looks. So here you have the receiver. And then here you have a USB-C adapter. So I'm going to put the USB-C adapter into the receiver. And then here, pop open the side of the Osmo and you have a USB-C. Actually, this needs to be removed. So once you remove the door, you're able to plug the receiver in to the camera and then pull out your, and it looks like I have to set the date and everything here, but you basically have a complete vlogging or otherwise whatever kind of camera work you're doing system with two of these receivers. The audio goes straight into your camera as you're recording. So it's a very compact system, very elegant, I think, the design, and it feels solid, like it's it's meant to be there. I wouldn't do a bunch of action stuff with this without securing it better. It probably would endanger it. You don't want to break the USB-C connector off in there, but it's just a great compact system. You've got the two receivers, so I'm really looking forward to using it. So those are my first impressions of the Osmo or the DJI mic in combination with the Osmo 3. If you have any questions, you want me to test it a certain way, let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, appreciate you hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews of stuff like this. I'm going to be using this action cam a lot. I've already been using it almost as much as my iPhone. I think it's very convenient. It's a great system, and that's why I got the DJI mic. One more thing that I didn't mention is this little combo, which I think makes it even more versatile. So this comes with the Action 3 DJI Osmo camera. It's an extendable handheld thingy. It's not a tripod, but you can add a tripod to it. So I got this Light mini tripod, and you can get a different brand if you want something else. And then you have the screw connector there, and then you have a tripod. Also, the Action 3 has another bonus above the GoPros. It has this magnetic clip system, so it's a magnet that guides these clips in. So you have a full setup there, camera setup, plus the microphone, and you're in business. And then the last thing, too bad they couldn't incorporate the clip somehow, but I think it's just too small of a body. It comes with this, the Action bundle, comes with this case, and the only real function of this case is to give you a vertical option. So you now have a vertical video, since there's so much vertical video out there. So more to come on the DJI Osmo Action 3, the DJI mic, and the little ecosystem that I'm building out here. This does not come in the package. You have to buy this separately, whether it's this brand or something else. I'll throw the links down below so you can check them out. I'll talk to you guys next time. This is Nick signing off, Warsaw, Poland.